Well, that was a good wee blast out to the ferry. So it's now time to get some fuel. And fill her up. Once we get out of here. Tell you, this bike just rides so well. It really does. There's the Biker's Cove. Great place to check out if you're ever in the area. Oh, I've missed my turn off. Oh! I should have turned off back here. Oh, hello jogger, keeping fit. Even joggers are on their phones. Oh, here's more joggers, heart attack material. Yes, let's just put all that extra stress on our heart and our ankles. This has been resurfaced and it looks like they've done it properly, rather than this stuff that they just put over the old road, put the new road on top of it, and then that leaves all the drain holes sunken, so they get hammered with cars and buses and trucks and horses and cyclists and anything else that uses the road. But it looks like they've actually surfaced this properly. Hello postie. Oh, he's waiting. Thank you sir, very kind of you. Although you could have went, plenty of room. Oh, down to 1 bar. 1 bar. Well, we see what what Tesco's like. Listen to me, I sound like a horse. Hold on to clear my throat. That's better. Sounded rather hoarse there. The fuck's that? Looked quite cool though. One of the wee Honda things. Right, let's see if Tesco's got any of the momentum. I want to be in this lane actually. This is a bit rutted, look at that. 156, it's quite, still quite expensive. Unleaded. I hope they've got super duper pooper scooper. If not, I'll go to Esso. Oh, there's a GS. Hello. Sorry, no unleaded available. If they've not got super duper pooper scooper, I'll not be doing it. No, it's just unleaded. Unleaded. Right, we'll see if the... When you go sir, we'll see if the Esso's got it. The Polis. Slave coach. Oh, they're building there as well. Christ almighty, they're building houses everywhere. It's a shame they're not building social housing. That's all private. It's social housing they should be building for the people. Social housing. Little nod from the bikers there. Good morning. There's another biker. I think everybody's just making the most of the good weather. Just nip in front of this boy. Whee! Oh, I don't think he was too happy. He's right up my fucking ching ching. I want to turn off up here somewhere. Can't quite remember where. I think he's calmed down now. He's pulled back. I need gasoline. The docks, Forsyth. Hello. Have I missed my turning? Probably have. I honestly see my sense of direction. It's terrible. Newton. There's a petrol station there. That's not the one that I wanted, but we'll have a look if they've got on. It's super unleaded, super duper. Can I get extra points from ESO with my Nectar card? I tell you, that Nectar card's brilliant. I had £119 stored up in it, so I quite fancy treating myself. So I bought a new G-Shock watch just to add to the collection. Sorry, pump out the action. It's only unleaded they've got. Right, we'll take the next left. Well, I've not been down this road in many, many years. This is all new. This is all fancy. Right, where am I going? Winchborough, straight over. This is all fancy pants. Is that a new spur onto the motorway? Aye, 1B. Tell you what this will be all about. This will be about for the new 15-minute city they're building here, or 15-minute neighbourhood. Answer. Hello. Sorry about that, rudely interrupted again. Whee! Right. I don't know where I am, but I'm looking for a petrol station. Oh, come on, Sean, think. You scratch my nose. I've got a total brain freeze. My brain's frozen. GoPro does that sometimes. This dead cat's tickling my chin. Roadworks again. I'm just going to get up to the front, hopefully these lights don't change. Ooh. Right, I'm at the front. The grass is always greener at the front. In roof boxes, I can't stand these folk with roof boxes. Wonder what they actually keep in them. Oh, I've just stalled it. What a fud. Why did I do that? This will be the 15-minute ghetto that they're building. Well, they've built most of it on the other side. And it is a 15-minute ghetto. I'm not just saying that, it is. Firmly on their website and in their plans. This is Winchborough. There's quite a cool pub up here. It's called the Tally Ho. Tally Ho. There it is. That's a new development there. A 15-minute neighbourhood, or 20-minute neighbourhood I think they're calling it, branding it. Everything that you'll need will be within a walk, a cycle, or wheeling within 20 minutes. Now this used to be a straight road. It used to run boom straight where the trees are. Now there's a big bend There's traffic lights. There's a new school actually. It's nearly caught me out one night because it was pitch black, there was no lights. Now I think this fuel station's got unleaded. It certainly did have the last time I was here. 159. Right, please have unleaded. It's super unleaded. Oh, Supreme. It's got the Supreme Dalek. Let's move up a little bit actually. The Supreme Dalek. Righty-ho. I can't be bothered putting my glasses on, I'll wing it. Fuel. SO. Pump 4. Continue. It's no, it's pump fucking 3. Pump 3, there we go. What are you looking at? Don't lift the nozzle just yet. I could do with new gloves, but I love these ones. These are still my summer gloves. And they're comfy as hell. And they fit my hands like a glove. That was intended. I've just ordered a service kit. Well, I've actually got it. Ordered it from M&P Motorcycles down in, I think they're in Swansea. Next day delivery. DHL. Cannot fault it. Absolutely cracking service. That was on eBay. So I scored some nectar points out of that purchase as well. I do like my nectar points. Points make prizes. I believe the weather's supposed to turn this afternoon and it's meant to be pishy wet. But we'll see. I mean, I don't believe this, these apps, the weather apps on your phone. Because sometimes these weather apps will say, oh, there's only 18% chance of rain. So you look out the window and it's pissing the rain all day. Oh, hello, what's this? Trike. Hello. Oh, I need to wash the bike as well before it gets parked up. I'll not bother washing it now, I'll wash it when I've parked it up. Give it a little wash. Polish. ACF 50. It's going to get an oil service. And really, that's about it. And then it'll come out in the spring and it'll get its final service at Honda in June. I think. I've already done a service on this. Anyway, I done a service on it about three weeks after Honda serviced it. But I did add 3,500 miles onto the clock. And I've done about 3,000 miles since its last service, so yeah. It is due a service, and I think next year I'll do the air filter, because that's never been done. Spark plugs, they should be good for about 20,000 mile. With modern spark plugs now, they last a lot longer. Nice touch that. The litter bins or bags in the bus shelters. It's obviously locals that are doing that have got respect for their area. Oh, I'm in the wrong lane. I'm in the Dob lane. What a beautiful day. Need to see Eki. See what he's up to. I just should come out, eh? No, I'll just go back in again, eh? At least he waved his hand, I'll give him that. You're forgiven. Come on, go, 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 go. Oh. Just say hello to somebody, hello. Normally every time I come down here, especially in the car, I've got to stop and give way. Almost every time.